What's going on, everybody? We came to a big motocross track today with big boy jumps, lots of really fast straightaways, fast-paced corners, a lot of fast riders out on this track. We're going to focus on our technique, our form, and conquering all the jumps, hitting the corners with speed, staying in the ruts, and not being in any of these A riders' way. Let's go. Holy shit. I forgot how big some of these jump faces are. Wow. Can we hit it first lap? Got it. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Whoa. I don't even know what to do with these rollers. Dude. I gotta figure out what to do through there. Dude, you have so much traction in the mulch. Not in the mud though. Oh my god, I hit that big ass rock. Let this guy pass the inside line. Woo! Oh my god, that was stylish. Oh, I'm like sliding. My front end drifting in that corner. Be ready for this rut, look ahead. Not too shabby. We'll keep it in third, try this jump. We got it. What in the f just happened? That? You want to hit that? Nah, bro. Nah, that's a big fat niz. He better not. Oh my god. He just went for it. Oh my god. Bro, you didn't even do a run up. You just sent it.
Look at his camera.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Dude, I kind of sprained my ankle a little.
I bet. You landed right on the f***ing knuckle.
I almost made it. Oh my god.
Udi, you are off your rocker, bro. I just smashed my face on the handlebars so bad. I don't know why I was going so fast for that jump. This dude's on a YZ250 two-stroke. Look how deep that mulch is, baby. Shifts up in the air. Oh, seat mounts. These guys just make it look so freaking easy, dude. Yeah, that was cool. He like slowed down and then sat into the whip and used like his legs sitting down to whip it. This guy on the new fuel injected two-stroke, 125. Oh my God, that was stylish. Dude, that looks so sick coming down there. Yeah, buddy. Ripping, I can't even keep up. Make sure I'm on the front for this corner. Oh yeah, buddy. I feel like for the but I'm charging pretty good. Oh! Dude, are you okay? You need help? You alright? You need help getting back? Are you all right? Yeah! I feel like I freaking railed that. The face of that, because you're in such a long straightaway, people are braking before the jump. That's gnarly. Get this right there. Best I've hit that corner yet, buddy. And I'm almost whiskey throttling, which means I need to get the hell off the track. Damn. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up the moto vlog today. It was an awesome day riding with my buddies here at this big motocross track. Lots of big jumps, good ruts. I feel like I conquered a bunch of my goals and rode a whole lot better than I did the last time I was here, like a year and a half ago. Big creds to the YZ250F. This thing just makes me feel so comfortable and confident. Makes me, you know, attack the track a whole lot better. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave it a like if you did like it, because it helps out my channel a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.